This is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze ceiling fan that is installed in Fan's house, etc.'s house. It is in his mom's room, which is actually the master bedroom. I already got done filming The Builder's Best. That's across the hall in the room across. So I'm going to film the Palm Breeze. I'm going to start the light, and oh, what a surprise! 3 of the bulbs are burnt out, and there's only 1 bulb working. Oops, strange. I don't know why it did that. Medium, low. Here's low. That's strange. I don't know why it did that. That's a great low speed to it. You know, this is probably the best air mover in this house. Super slow. You know, it is what it is. Medium. And for this fan, the Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze ceiling fans in this game does not have pole chain noises. It does not have noises. It's just muted pole chain sounds. There's no sound for this pole chains. Here's high. It's super fast. Going pretty fast. And for the next video, I'm actually going to film the Calera, which is right out here on the porch. Which I'm going to put the porch fan video in a separate video. I'm only focused on the Palm Breeze. And I'm going to do the guest house fans tomorrow. Or maybe the day before, the day after. Because I really don't have time to do that. So I have the light. Alright, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed.